Lumi walked beside the sea, watching waves so happily. Where are they going, she wondered with a smile, rolling to the shore, mile after mile. Tiny seashells, smooth and bright, sparkled in the morning light. Foamy waves came into play, then gently danced back far away. Seagulls floated through the sky, clouds drifted slowly way up high. Do the waves ever stop? Lumi watched each rolling drop. Warm sea breeze upon her face, every wave a new embrace. Watching quietly every day, nature smiles in its